I went on Amazon and found the cheapest rear bumper splitter I could find for my C350. Okay, fine, maybe it wasn't the cheapest, but for the style I was going for, this was literally the cheapest one I could find. Had decent ratings, easy to install. Today's Sunday, I'll get it by Friday. Everything in, it's gonna run me about $35.86 Canadian. Let's go ahead and buy it. And just like that, we're gonna be installing these on the C350. These are gloss black, and the splitters on my car are flat black, so it's not gonna work. We're gonna have to repaint these. Let's get to it. Will these be worth the money? Let me know in the comments. Go ahead and grab some Plasti Dip, microfiber towel, some alcohol, extra masking paper, and a box so I don't get my monitor dirty. I'm just playing. I have what I need within my budget. Let's paint. Boom, and just like that, the splitters are completely painted. Check it out, they look amazing. Now all we got left to do is go ahead and install them. I don't know about you, but I'm excited. These are gonna look great. Before drilling into the car, I actually used some masking tape just to mock up where I wanted to position the rear bumper splitters. If you're feeling these as much as I am, go ahead and like the video. Make sure you subscribe and tune in next week because I'm dropping another banger.